Hi, I'm Tyler Grant with jamplay.com. Wanted to give you a sneak peek of my live lesson course that's coming up at Jamplay, and we are going to be covering standard public domain songs and tunes. This is meant to give you some repertoire to work with and also give you tools for figuring out melodies by ear and arranging them in your own style for flat-picking guitar. One song that we'll be covering is the traditional song Jesse James. I'll be showing you the basic melody, so for now, let's just learn the A part of the melody. There's two sections to most of these melodies, an A part and a B part. Here's the A part, and it goes like this, and we're in the key of C major. Now let's try that with the rhythm track. 1, 2, 3. Here's how you would strum rhythm to that. Our chords are a C major, which is the 1 chord in the key of C. Our 4 chord is F major, and our 5 chord is a G7. And we're going to be applying the standard bluegrass boom strum, where we strum after we play the bass notes. And the bass notes go root, 5, root, 5, like so. So here's the rhythm part to Jesse James, starting on a C chord. A 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the techniques for solo arrangement on flat-picking guitar that I will be covering in this series is the melody strum. And that's just putting both of those elements together, playing the melody in the low notes. So in other words, always keeping the melody in the bass and strumming the portion of the chord that is on the treble strings above the melody. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Another technique that we'll be covering is how to make variations on the tunes and songs and turn them into a lead guitar solo, or guitar break as we call it in flat-picking music. 1, 2, 3, 4. To learn the rest of this tune and dig in a lot deeper into these songs and tunes from the public domain, join us in our Jamplay live lesson series. See you there.